Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ramir Boulder. Reaksyon po ng mga senador tungkol sa pagre-resign ni Speaker Martin Romualdez. Amy Bato at Tito react to Romualdez resignation. Ito na po.
Ah,
Ano na?
Hindi, ang problema ko masyadong mabait si Boji. Kawawa naman. Ang hirap ng lugar niya.
Pero ma'am, ano yung expectation sa leadership?
Paano mo naman nasabing kawawa? No? Mahirap ang lugar niya. Ano? Ano ba naman yan, Manang Amy? Ano ba naman yung reaction mo na yan?
Kasi ma'am,
Kilala ko si Boji, bata pa kami. Magkasama kami sa Kabataang Barangay. Sobrang bait ng tao, awang-awa ako sa kanya.
bakit ma'am?
Ang hirap ng sitwasyon niya eh.
But do you think he will be a capable leader? No.
Magaling si Boji, kaya lang ang
Capable leader si Boji. Kung gagaya ng sinasabi mo, bakit ka naawa?
depekto lang niya, sobrang bait. Yun na nga. Marami talagang magpapalusot, maraming magdidemand. Ako, apakahirap ng sitwasyon niya. Arguably the worst job in the world.
With the new leadership, sir, do you think would be good both for the House and the Senate, sir, under Speaker Boji Lee, sir?
It remains to be seen. It remains to be known.
What do you know him, sir? You know si Speaker Lee.
Yeah, I know him. I know him.
Do you think he'd be a good leader for the lower house?
Mabait man ang tao yun. Mabait ang tao.
Do you think he's capable to lead the House?
Personally, hindi ko ganong kuwan ha, pero basta tinulungan ako niyan. Nung tumakbo ako 2019, tinulungan ako ng panahon na yan.
Yeah, Speaker Romualdez, may pag-uusap pa between you and him before he resigned.
Wala kaming pag-uusap about that except during the
Puro positive comment po ang kanilang mga comments kay sa bagong speaker ng House na si Boji D.
birthday lunch of President Marcos. I was already overhearing from the other members of the House that they were asking Boji to consider the speakership.
Sir, ano expectations kay Congressman Boji?
Oh, it's it's a very good choice for the congressman. It's a very good record. He's been vice mayor, mayor, congressman, governor, vice governor, congressman uli. And in all those years, no bad record.
Do you think he'll be a
Tsaka meron kaming biro eh. Meron kaming biro nila Amy. Being vice governor, governor ka muna ng tatlong term, tapos naging vice governor ka kay Rodito Albano, mabait ka. Para ma-tolerate mo si Rodito.
you think
Ibig sabihin, mabait ka.
you think he'll be a capable leader of the House?
Oh yes, yes. Very, I'm sure he's capable and it'll be good for the House.
Do you know him? Do you know him personally?
He was my party mate. He's originally NPC from before up to just this huling, ano lang, itong huling elections lang, nag-PFP siya because of the party of the president. PFP. Pero he has been always NPC. If you cut his veins, you will see NPC.
Did it come as a surprise yung pag-resign ni Speaker? To you, sir, did it come as a surprise or
Mm,
because you canceled the caucus for the CA, sir? So
Well, yes,
sabi niya.
and I did not come as a surprise because I canceled the CA, not caucus,
Sorry, plenary.
the plenary, because we were. I was informed by the vice chairman of the CA, Congressman Gico, that there will be a change in the leadership the following day. The call was yesterday, last night, I should say.
Sir, ano expect nyo sa magiging
Ah, Vicente Tito Soto III welcome this election expecting an excellent relationship between the Senate and the House of Representatives. He believed he believes D is capable and will be good for the House. Soto also emphasized the importance of live streaming budget deliberation to ensure transparency, while Senator Amy Marcos, she described D as a good person. She expressed concern about his potential difficulties as House Speaker due to his kind nature, which might lead to demand and challenges. She mentioned this only flaw is this is that he is too kind. Masyado daw siyang mabait. Senator Bato naman, ang sabi niya, De La Rosa questioned why Martin Romualdez stepped down as Speaker, hinting at possible guilt regarding the flood control controversy. He also described D as a good person who helped him during his senatorial campaign in 2019. Sabi naman po ni Escudero praised this experience and leadership, expressing confidence that D will steer the House toward greater integrity and responsiveness to the people concerned. However, he emphasized that the transition should not distract from unresolved issues surrounding past budget and infrastructure anomalies.
Partnership niya ni Congressman Bato.
I expect a very good, in fact, excellent relationship between the House and the Senate.
And mas malinis na 2026 budget, sir. Mas
Sorry?
malinis na 2026 budget.
Ay, sigurado. We will make sure this time because there will be live streaming, not only in the deliberations, not only in the hearings, but also on the floor and the bicameral conference committee. In whatever form of bicameral conference will be done, I will make sure that Speaker Boji and I will make sure that there is live streaming.
Well, that's the reaction of Senator of the newly installed Speaker of the House, Faustino Boji D. The third has been viewed. Ano po ang inyong opinion? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.